Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5010795 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu and then click on settings. Now go to system, scroll down, click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooters. Now click on run. In front of Windows update you will see the run option, so click on run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now the next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in your browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Now click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 installation assistant. And here you can see the option which says accept and install. Now in case Windows 11 installation assistant is not opening, then go to the download location. So open File Explorer, go to downloads. Now make a right click on Windows 11 installation assistant. Then select properties, go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 7 from the list and then click on apply. OK. Now make a double click and this should open Windows 11 installation assistant. Now click on accept and install, and after the installation restart your computer and your Windows should be up to date. Now the next step is to reset Windows update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command till here and then open Notepad on your computer. So type in Notepad in Windows search box and then paste all the command in Notepad. Now go to file. Now click on save as and then set the location as desktop and then name this file as wuauserv.bat. And then save as type. For save as type, select all files and then click on save. Now go to desktop, make a right click on wuauserv file and make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. So click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now first of all, it will go ahead and stop all the Windows update services and then it will run some scans. Now the scan will take some time. Now once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows update services. Once the process is complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart, try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now in case if nothing is working, use media creation tool. So again, copy this link. Now go to Microsoft website, scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, you will see this screen. Click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next and then select ISO file. Click on next. Save it to desktop. Select desktop as a location and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Now here you can see setup file, make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11. Now here you can see the option which says install Windows 11. Click on next. Now this will go ahead and check for update. Now this process will take some time. You will see the accept option. Click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Once the download is complete, now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install. And by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. This is checked by default. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and after the installation, log into your computer and your Windows should be up to date, and your Windows should be up to date, and you should not face any problem updating your Windows 11. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.